everyone. Welcome back to Shuffle the Story World. Aesop's Fable is a very popular storybook which is suitable for primary children and all story lovers. Today I am going to read The Capsular and the Monkeys. Now everybody sit peacefully and let's start the story. The Capsular and the Monkeys. Once a capsular was passing through a jungle on his way to the village market. He was tired because of the long journey. He sat down under a shady tree to take rest and fell asleep. Some monkeys used to live on that tree. Finding the capsular asleep, they took away all the caps from his bag. When the capsular woke up, he found all his caps missing from the bag. He looked up. He was surprised to find all the monkeys wearing his caps. In anger, the capsular threw stones at the monkeys. All the monkeys threw fruits back at him. When he saw that the monkeys were copying him, the capsular thought of a plan. He threw his cap down. The monkeys too threw their caps down. The capsular happily collected all his caps and went away. That's the end of this story. The moral of the story is common sense always prevails. So if you enjoy and like this video, please subscribe to our channel Shuffle the Story World to get more stories and stay with us. Thank you.